What's going on, my peoples? Today we're making some garlic and herb baked chicken, and we're gonna put some spice to this chicken. We're gonna put some flavor to this chicken. Who say your baked chicken cannot have a little flavor in it? So first thing first, we're gonna get this melted, put it in the microwave and melt it. We got Kerrygold garlic and herb butter, so let's get that melted. See that lovely garlic and herbs we got right there. We're gonna get it melted right now. We're going to go ahead and season this chicken. We're gonna put some Goya all-purpose. Season it nice and lovely. I'll put some black pepper. Put some tropical in there. Get it nice and lovely, people, you know. Put some red pepper. Gonna put some paprika. We're gonna be rubbing this up nice and lovely, people. I'm gonna add some more of this to the corner so it can catch the bottom of the chicken. So now we're gonna mix this up. Spread it all over. Get it all over. Nice and lovely. Now what we're gonna do now is gonna get that garlic butter. Look at that. Look at that. Nice and lovely. Now it's time to get a little dirty. We're gonna spread it. Make sure it's not too hot. Make sure it's definitely not too hot. Look at that. Looking so lovely. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So now we're gonna go ahead and add it to the pan, the baking pan. Spread it out. Make sure that everything cooks evenly. And we're gonna cover this to make it cook with some foil paper. But what we're gonna do now, I got some who said you can't put no style to your baked chicken? I got some zucchini, some onions, red pepper, and some other sweet pepper. So let's go. Spread it all over nice and lovely. Put some nice style to it. Okay, almost ready to go in the oven. Looking so luscious. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So what I'm going to do now, we got one more stick of Kerrygold garlic and herb butter. what we're gonna do, we're gonna slice this up and put each piece on each chicken quarter. So let's go. So I got it spread it out. I got this thing looking so nice and so lovely. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna set my oven. Well, I already preheated the oven to 350. So now I'm gonna get this thing in the oven. I'm gonna bake it for about let's just say, you know what, I'm gonna come back and give you a time, but I'm gonna get this baked, and we're actually gonna finish this off, uncovering it and finishing off on the broiler. So let's go.